Today we'll be doing miscellaneous questions based on work, energy and power. All mixed questions of all the types. Start writing. Question number 1. Question number 1. A block of mass m, fast please. A block of mass m resting on a rough horizontal surface. A constant horizontal force is applied. And it starts accelerating. Constant horizontal force is applied and starts accelerating. Find the power at time t. I want to find the power at time t. That means they are asking you about instantaneous power, right? Look at this question. There's a block of mass m and we apply a constant horizontal force over here F. It starts accelerating and it is on a rough horizontal surface. This is rough, okay? Rough means what is going to act? Friction. What is the value of friction? Mu mg, right? Right or not? I want to find the instantaneous power at time t. Instantaneous power ka formula, you know, F bar dot V bar. So I need to find F also and I need to find V also after time t. Now how to do this question? Can I say net force is MA? What is net force? This minus this. Capital F minus small f is MA. So capital F is going to become MA plus small f. So capital F will become MA plus small f is mu mg, right? So can I take M common? It will be A plus mu g. This is the external force which is applied and I got the value of external force. Now after this I need V, velocity in time t. Can I say V is u plus at? But u is 0, can you see? So at. So V will become at. This is the velocity at time t. What is the instantaneous power, beta? F bar dot V bar. What is F bar? This one. And both of them are there in the same direction. So M A plus mu g into at. This is the instantaneous power which is a function of time, right? This is the answer. Come on. Getting it? अच्छा, इसी में if they ask you average power, इसी में if they ask you what is average power, suppose. So what is the formula for average power? Work done upon time. Can I say change in kinetic energy upon time? What is kinetic energy? Change. Half mv square minus u square. So u is 0. So I can say it is half mv square by time t. But what is v equal to? At. So can I say it will be half m a square t square by t. It will become half m A square. So this is the average power, and if you need A value, then you can take A from here. A you can calculate from here also. A can be written as net force upon total mass. This A is net force upon total mass. What is the net force? Capital F minus small f by total mass. This can also be written like this. So this can also be written as average power. T should be there, okay? Fine. You all understanding what's happening? Next question. Next question. Find the average power of gravity. Find the average power of gravity of a projectile of mass m. Find the average power of gravity of a projectile of mass m at the highest point. At the highest point. So now question number 2 is telling you that there is projectile motion happening, and the projectile motion which is happening, I want to find the average power at the highest point. So this is there, this will be u. It's theta. It's going to become u cos theta, and this will become what? U sin theta. At the highest point, I can say gravity is acting downward, and this is the maximum height, na beta? Can I say what is this? Maximum height, that is h maximum. And I am going to find average power. What is the general formula for average power at the highest point? Average power का formula क्या है? Okay, average power is work done by time. Work done in going up is going to become mgh. But can I say work done by gravity over here is positive or negative? Negative, because g is acting down and the displacement is up. So this is going to become minus mgh by time. So average power will become minus mgh. H will be the maximum height. What is the maximum height? U square sine square theta by 2g. And the time will become time of ascent, because the time taken from here to here is the time of ascent, and time of ascent is u sine theta by g. So this can be written as u sine theta, and u sine theta will cancel, and g will cancel. So what is the average power which is coming over here? Minus mg u sine theta by 2. This is the average power from here till here at the highest point. Correct. Suppose if they ask you what is the instantaneous power due to gravity at the highest point. Instantaneous power का formula is F bar dot V bar. Can anyone tell me where is gravitational force acting at the highest point? Where is the velocity at the highest point? Right, na? So how much is the angle between them? 90. So FV cos 90. So instantaneous power at the highest point will become what? Equal to 0. Got it? Start. Question 3. A pendulum is projected horizontally. A pendulum is projected horizontally as shown in the figure. Find the speed of the pendulum. Find the speed of the pendulum when it makes an angle of theta with the vertical. When it makes an angle of theta with the vertical, also find the maximum angle. Also find the maximum angle to which the string is being deflected. To which the string will be deflected. Now, if I see this is the pendulum they have given you in the figure. It's given a speed u. Speed u. When it is deflected by theta, speed is v. This length is L. Okay, this one. I want to find speed v. Correct? Now, one thing which I have taught you in circular motion you can do from down to up. Remember? V square is equal to u square minus 2gh. While going up, speed becomes less. Minus 2gh, na? But h will become L1 minus cos theta, if you remember. We can do this method, the same sum by another method. Work energy theorem. Can I say initial kinetic energy plus work done will become final kinetic energy, right or not? One method I had done by kinematical equations in circular motion, if you refer. Can anyone tell me what is the initial kinetic energy? Half m u square. Can anyone tell me what is the work done by gravity in taking from air to air? It is raised by a height of h, na? How much is the height of h? Do you know? How much is this height h? It will be L 1 minus cos theta. Everyone is agreeing with me. This is there in circular motion lectures also. So how much is the work done by gravity? Work done by gravity will become minus mgh. But h is what? L 1 minus cos theta. And the final kinetic energy is going to become half mv square. Correct? Half m and m will cancel. Can I multiply by 2? It will become u square minus 2g L1 minus cos theta will become v square. So if I take this, it will become root of this. Correct or not? So same thing it came now. V square is u square minus 2gh. Look. We could have done that by work energy theorem also. If you are understanding. This is the first part of the question. Second part of the question says that how much will it deflect? How much will it deflect? Maximum. So let the maximum deflection beta be phi. Means what? This is u. It will come here and maximum it will stop. Means how much is the speed over here? 0. Means I can say indirectly this is which position? The extreme position. And how much maximum it is deflecting? Matlab I need phi. It means I can apply the same formula but the final velocity is going to become what beta? 0. You understanding what's happening? So can I put v as 0 in the same formula? So if I put v as 0, what will happen? Come on, anyone. If I put v as 0, so v is 0, na? And theta is how much beta? Phi. So just put it over here. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? U square will become equal to 2g L 1 minus cos phi. बोलो. Yes or no? So this will become what? U square by 2gl 1 minus will become cos phi, right? Correct, na? This will be same thing. Correct? So what will be phi equal to? Cos inverse of 1 minus u square by 2gl, or you can take LCM also and get the answer. Got it? Come on, start. Question. Next question. Pay attention. They are telling you there is an incline of 60 degrees. Length is 2 root 3 meter. Mu is 1 by root 3. इसका मतलब what is there? Rough surface is there. You are speeding it up with a applying a constant velocity of 10 meter per second. Starting में. What is the velocity when it reaches the top? So you throw it with a speed of 10 on a rough surface of mu 1 by root 3. Length is 2 root 3. What are the V2? So whenever this kind of question comes, you should know it is work energy theorem. What will I use? Initial kinetic energy plus work done is equal to final kinetic energy beta. Now, can anyone tell me who all are pulling the block down? Perfect. There is mg sin theta. I'll rub this. Okay. Perfect. There is mg sin theta also down. Plus mu mg cos theta. Right now? Because friction is opposite to intention of motion, and intention of motion is down or up. Friction will be down. Correct? Now what is the initial kinetic energy? Can I say half m v1 square? Work done by gravity or the friction component will be plus or minus. Can I say the displacement is up, the force is down, so it will be minus. So it will be minus of this into the length, na? F into displacement, na? Force into displacement. What are the force? mg sin theta plus mu mg cos theta into what beta? 2 root 3. Correct? Is equal to final kinetic energy. What are the final kinetic energy? Half m vf square. So m and m will cancel. Can I multiply the whole equation by 2? So it will become v1 square minus 2 g sin 60 plus 1 by root 3 g cos 60 into 2 root 3 will become vf square. v1 square 10 ka square will become 100 minus 2 2s are 4 root 3. G will also come out. Can I take G also out? So G is 10, which is out. Right or not? What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 3 cos 60 is what beta? Half. Now this will fine, no? This is okay. Now VF square. So this will become 100 minus 4 root 3 into 10. 2 will come out. Right or not? This will be root 3 plus 1 by root 3. 3 plus, what is the answer? 3 plus 1 by root 3 will become VF square. This and this will cancel, right? 2 2s are 4. So this will become 4 2s are 8. 80. 100 minus 80, 20. So VF is going to become what beta? Root 20 meter per second. Bolo. Correct or right? Come on, copy fast. Doing this sum with another method. Last time I had done E initial is equal to E final. आपने अगर ये sum देखा रहेगा तो, okay? I want to find the maximum compression in the spring. This will go on, stick to it and compress. X maximum. I'll do it by another method. Can I say initial kinetic energy plus work done will become final kinetic energy, right? What is the initial kinetic energy? 0. What is the work done? Listen over here. Work done. Half kx square plus or minus. Wait. Pehले you tell me what will be work done by gravity. Plus or minus? Plus. Because gravity is down, displacement is also down. How much is the displacement down? H plus x. Don't move h. H मतलब यहाँ तक ही है. So it will be plus mg. H plus x. Look over here. ठीक है. Spring work done is also there. अच्छा, spring work done. How is the spring going? Down. Where is the displacement of the spring? Down. Where is the restoring force in the spring? Up. Down. Work done will be negative. भाई देखो फिर से. Displacement down. But where is the restoring force on the spring? Up. So F and X. So it will be minus half kx square. And finally it will stop. Come. Getting it? Everyone. So this is going to become mgh plus mgx minus half kx square. 0. We'll take it on that side. Half kx square minus mgx minus mgh is equal to 0. A is half k. B is minus mg. C is minus mgh. Okay, sir. How to find x? Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4a c. So this will become plus upon what? 2a. So this will cancel. This is the answer. Okay, come on, start. Yeah. Next question. Next question. In a region, potential energy of a particle of mass 2 kg is given by U is equal to 3x square plus 4y square joule is given. Energy का formula is given to you. Find the acceleration. Find the acceleration when it is at 1,1. Acceleration at 1,1. ओके, ठीक है. तो U दिया है, A ढूंढना है. Fine. And mass is given as, they've given you mass 2 kg. So mass is also given as 2 kg. A कैसे मिलेगा? A is F by m. F कहाँ से मिलेगा? F is minus du by dr. A 2-dimensional function. So F will be minus del u by del x I cap plus del u by del y j cap. Z also will not come because this is not a function of z. तो अभी डेरिवेटिव हमको लेना है with respect to x taking y as constant. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा 6x I cap ना. सेकेंड वाला तो नहीं रहेगा बिकॉज देयर इज नो x और इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 हो गया विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. अभी पहले वाले का डेरिवेटिव विल बिकम 0 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y. सेकेंड वाले का डेरिवेटिव विल बिकम 8y j cap zef. If I divide this answer by 2 I'll get a because a is what? F by m na. Will be minus of 3x I cap plus 4y j cap. And if I need at 1,1 I'll put at 1,1. So A will become minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. You getting it? This is the acceleration which is negative meter per second square. And if I need the magnitude of this, can anyone tell me it is minus 5 meter per second square? And the alpha is tan inverse of what? 4 by 3? You don't know. Y by x. The alpha which is acting as tan inverse of 4 by 3. Did you understand what's happening? So, this is the answer. Got it? minus sign है, it is a negative acceleration. Yeah. In a conservative field, the work done from P to Q, the work done in taking a body from P to Q is 5 joules. And from Q to R, it is 2 joules. Find the work done in carrying from P to R. Find the work done in carrying from P to R. Okay. See now. Pay attention. They are telling you in a conservative field, the work done in taking the body from P to Q is 5. You know one thing, that work done to initial to final is U final minus U initial. So I had given it to you. Right or not? So first one is work done from P to Q will be UQ minus UP is given as 5 joule. This one. Second case, they are telling you from Q to R is 2. Q to R, UR minus UQ is 2 joule. Right, no? According to this. What will be the work done in taking from P to R? So work done from P to R is going to become UR minus UP. Now if you see, if I add both of them, UQ and UQ will cancel. You get UR minus UP will become what? This is the answer. Start. This is a ring. It is attached to a spring. Initially, the ring was here and the spring was pulled to 5 meter. The natural length of the spring is 3 meter. So can anyone tell me how much is the initial extension at A? By natural length कितना है? 3. The original length of the spring is 3. इतना हो चुका है. तो how much is the extension right now? 2. So extension at A कितना है? 2. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. मैंने ऐसे पुल किया इसको and I leave it on a smooth surface. So it is going to go. It is covering 3 meters. It is covering 3 meters. So we know if this is 3, this is 5. So this will be 4. They ask you what is the speed at B. What is the speed at B? Can anyone tell me what is the extension at B? अभी जो स्प्रिंग ऐसे था, अभी फिलहाल तो स्प्रिंग ऐसे हो चुका है ना. नेचुरल लेंथ कितना है स्प्रिंग का? 3. यहां पर कितना हो गया है वो? 4. So how much is the extension at this point? 1. One sec please, that is important. So can I say extension at A is 5 minus natural length is 2 meter. Extension at B is 4 minus 3, that is 1 meter. Okay sir. अच्छा यहाँ पर कोई फ्रिक्शन विक्शन नहीं है. ओके, तो कैन आई यूज ई इनिशियल इक्वल्स ई फाइनल. आप कुछ भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. ई इनिशियल इज ई फाइनल. यहाँ पर कौन सा एनर्जी है इसके पास? स्प्रिंग के पास हाफ के एक्स स्क्वायर. हाफ के एक्स स्क्वायर. कैन आई से हाफ के एक्स ए स्क्वायर. यहाँ पर कौन सा एनर्जी है उसके पास? हाफ के एक्स बी स्क्वायर प्लस हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर. हाफ के एक्स बी स्क्वायर प्लस हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर. Now if you see K is given in the question as 10, K is written over here as 10 Newton per meter. So it'll be half and half and half cancel, right? K kitna hai beta? 10. XA is 2, 2 square will become 4. It's 10. XB is 1 square is 1. M 2 V square. So it'll become 40, 10, 30, 30, 15. So V will become under root of 15 meter per second. This is the answer. See what is happening? There is a spring and I attach a mass over here and it starts oscillating. It starts oscillating. Now initially the speed was 0. Speed is 0. Finally also the speed will become 0 for a moment, right? This will become which position? Mean. Mean position. Extreme. Extreme. Because याद है ना extreme पर velocity कितना होता है? 0. And यहाँ पर velocity is maximum. Got it? Start writing. Concept. Concept. Block will oscillate between A and B. You can draw it later. Diagram. First write. Block will oscillate between A and B. Will oscillate between A and B. A and B are extreme positions. A and B are extreme positions. C is the mean position. C is the mean position. Okay. At next point, at A and B, at A and B, at A and B, net force is not equal to 0. Net force is not equal to 0. याद है यहाँ पे net force is maximum. Those who remember oscillations. At C, net force is 0. Net force is 0. It's called as equilibrium position. It's called as equilibrium position. You getting it? What's happening? Everyone. Now, if I tell you, फिर ये स्प्रिंग है, ऐसे पुल होगा. स्प्रिंग में कौन सा फोर्स आएगा? यहां पर क्या रहेगा? mg डाउन. और ऊपर कौन सा फोर्स आएगा? बोलो. kx. If I say net force over here is 0, means I can say mg is equal to kx. Right. At C, mg is equal to kx. Mg is equal to kx. So x will be mg by k. X will be mg by k. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है ये भाई. ओके, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में आता है व्हाट इज x नॉट. इसको कभी कभी नाम लोग देते हैं x नॉट. व्हाट इज x नॉट का वैल्यू? mg by k. व्हाट इज x नॉट का वैल्यू? mg by k. Fine. Next point. From A to C. A to C. A to C आएगा. इधर ध्यान दो सब लोग. If it is coming from A to C, can anyone tell me who will become more and who will become less? यहाँ पे speed 0 था. From A to C, दो forces है ना, mg और kx. दो forces है ना, who will become more and who is less? mg is more than kx. लिखो, from A to C, mg is more than kx. mg is more than kx. Net force is down. Net force नीचे बनेगा ना. Net force is down. Speed will increase. Speed will increase. Okay. ठीक है, ये समझ गया. Now C to B लिखो. C to B C to B. What will happen C to B? Come on. यहां पे स्पीड कितना है? यहां पे स्पीड मैक्सिमम है ना बेटा, इधर मैक्सिमम से कितना हो रहा है? 0. मींस इट इज रिटार्डिंग. ऊपर कौन एक्ट करता है? kx. नीचे कौन एक्ट करता है? mg. Who is more than who? kx is more than mg. Very good. लिखो kx is more than mg. Net force is up. Net force is up. Speed will decrease. Speed will decrease. ठीक है, एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए बेटा. आगे B to C. B to C. B to C. Anyone? कहां से कहां तक जा रहा है? 0 से मैक्स. कौन सा फोर्स दिया था? ऊपर वाला. ऊपर वाला कौन है फोर्स? kx. kx greater than mg. लिखो kx greater than mg. Okay. kx greater than mg. Net force up. Net force up.
So from C to B, the net force be done.
B to C लिखा है ना? C to B.
From C to B, the net force
mg
is
is greater
down.
than kx.
C to B the net force is down नहीं होगा बेटा. ये मैक्सिमम, एक मिनट इधर देखो, मैक्सिमम स्पीड था, वेलोसिटी कम हो चुका, तो रिटार्डेशन हो रहा है. तो एक्सेलरेशन कहाँ है? ऊपर. तो फोर्स भी कहाँ है? ऊपर.
But kx is not greater than mg, right? It is trying to increase but don't exceed the value of mg.
Just one second. एक मिनट. I'll एक मिनट. I'll explain. 2 मिनट रुक जाओ प्लीज.
If it doesn't exceed mg, then acceleration downwards. Then will not stop on. Yeah, then will keep on. It will keep going down.
See, एक मिनट प्लीज. पे अटेंशन हो गया. इधर ध्यान दो. यहां पर समझा कि mg is kx. यहां पर क्या हो रहा था? mg greater than kx. It will accelerate down. Speed will increase. यहां पर आके it is converting, that acceleration is converting into what? Retardation. तो acceleration का retardation मतलब where is the net force? Up. So who will become more than who? kx will be greater than mg. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया अभी ना? अच्छा, ऊपर जाते समय what will happen? क्या होगा? kx is greater than mg. तो ही तो स्प्रिंग वापस लेकर आएगा ना मास को. Getting it? Camera is only stopped. Got it? Now लिखो C2A क्या होगा? You write on your own.
From C to from B to C.
B to C ये in C ना? See, write on your own. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? यहाँ पर रिटार्डेशन हो रहा है ना फिर से, तो एक्सेलरेशन नीचे की तरफ है, मतलब mg is greater than kx. You don't get confused by taking kx different direction. Take kx as up and mg as down and play with the whole thing. Suppose हमने इसको x को x नॉट लिया, इसको x नॉट लिया, मतलब ये हमारा यहाँ पर x कितना था बेटा? 0. सपोज हाँ, अभी ये हो चुका. नाउ वी आर डीलिंग विद समथिंग एल्स. सपोज यहाँ पर x 0 था, ये हो गया x नॉट. x 0 x नॉट, ये हो जाएगा x मैक्सिमम. बोलो, दिस इज माई रेफरेंस डेटम. यहां से इसको मैंने क्या लिया? x नॉट. यहां से हमने इसको क्या लिया? x maximum. I have to find the relation between x maximum and x naught. Did you make this diagram, everyone? Okay. First make the diagram and okay. Write the question. Find the relation between x maximum and x naught. Find the relation between x maximum and x naught. x maximum and x naught. Where's my book? Okay, fine, there. क्लियर है ना एकदम यहां पर? Find the relation between x and this comes in the examination. ये वाला मतलब इसके आगे वाला सम, ये तो इजी है और हमको आंसर भी पता है. कितना रहेगा आंसर? हाँ या ट्वाइस ही होगा ना. हमने एसएचएम में पढ़ा है भाई, अगर ये a है तो ये 2a होगा ना. So what is the big deal in this? तो यहां पर हम इसको एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन से सॉल्व करेंगे. Can I say EA is EC is equal to EB? EA is equal to EC equals EB. What is EA? 0. ना तो स्प्रिंग स्ट्रेच्ड है, ना तो वेलोसिटी है, कुछ एनर्जी नहीं है ना इसके पास. यहां पर विच एनर्जी विल बी देयर? यहां पर C पर हाफ के x नॉट स्क्वायर प्लस हाफ m v square. I can say v is v maximum square. बोलो, because the velocity over here is maximum. SHM याद करो. What is the energy at B? हाफ mv square तो 0 है. हाफ के x max the whole square. एक मिनट, one more thing. What is the potential energy at C? Potential energy at C mg x max नहीं, इधर इधर C पर माइनस mg x नॉट. बिकॉज ये डेटम है तो नीचे जा रहा है तो माइनस रहेगा. अच्छा इसका क्या रहेगा? माइनस mg x max. बोलो करेक्ट है क्या रॉन्ग है? दिस वन. नाउ आई कैन इक्वेट फर्स्ट एंड last. I cannot equate the middle one. I don't know V maximum. V maximum दिया रहता तो we could have find out. 0 is equal to half k x max the whole square minus mg x maximum, right? ये उधर जाएगा. So half k x maximum the whole square is equal to mg x maximum. X maximum एक और दूसरा कैंसिल. x maximum is mg by k. Hey, what is mg by k? You know mg by k is x naught. अरे mg by k क्या रहेगा? x naught. So x maximum क्या बन जाएगा बेटा? 2x naught. बोलो करेक्ट है? तो इसका मतलब जितना एम्पलीट्यूड इस तरफ रहेगा उसी का एम्पलीट्यूड इस तरफ रहेगा बाय एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन. हमने तो एसएचएम करते दौरान इधर भी ए ले लिया, इधर भी ए ले लिया. उसका रीजन है एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन होगा तो ए एंड ए, बिकॉज द एनर्जी शुड रिमेन कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? Fast please. Finished writing? वाटर एसी तो बंद है. इसमें ना देखिए Okay, listen now. Pay attention over here. Next question. ध्यान दो अगर. Look over here, please. Yeah, listen. Question क्या कह रहा है? Question is saying that find the maximum value of m. Find the maximum value of m so that 4 kg lifts from the ground just. इसका वैल्यू हमको निकालना है ताकि ये 4 kg जस्ट उठ जाए ग्राउंड से. गॉट इट? अच्छा, एक कंसेप्ट है यहां पर कि कैन आई से दिस इज गोइंग टू स्ट्रेच डाउनवर्ड विद मैक्सिमम वैल्यू and his maximum extension will create maximum tension in the wire and that maximum tension will become equal to 4G. फिर से इधर ये मैक्सिमम पुल होगा. इस मैक्सिमम पुल के कारण मैक्सिमम kx जेनरेट होगा. उस मैक्सिमम kx के कारण मैक्सिमम टेंशन जेनरेट होगा. एंड हमारा कंडीशन क्या है? किसको लिफ्ट करना है हमको? 4. So what will be the maximum tension? 4G. Can I say maximum tension over here is how much beta? 4G. Correct or wrong? Now listen over here. We have derived right now some solution that x maximum, इसको पूरा पुल कितना होना चाहिए? कितना खींचा जाएगा ये? x maximum ना? How much is x maximum का value? Right now we derived 2x naught. क्लियर है ना भाई? व्हाट इज एक्स नॉट? बोलो बोलो बोलो. करेक्ट है 2 mg by k. वे इसका m है. कैन आई टेक k दैट साइड? kx maximum is what? 2 mg. Can I say kx maximum is the maximum force in the spring which will create maximum tension? So this will create what? Maximum tension, which is 2 mg. बोलो. And what is maximum tension? So m will become how much? तो मिनिमम ये 2 kg होना मांगता है. तो ही जब when it is getting maximum pull, okay, it will lift how much? 4. क्लियर है ना भाई? देखो इसका 2 और स्ट्रेचिंग कितना हो रहा है? वो भी 2 हो रहा है. अरे इट इज वेरी लॉजिकल मैन. इसका वैल्यू कितना रहेगा? 2 और मैक्सिमम टेंशन कितना रहेगा? 2x नॉट. सो 2 2 जा 4 एंड दिस 4. नहीं समझ में आया? अंडरस्टैंड? अच्छा ये 8 रहता तो ये 8 रहता तो ये 4 हो जाता बिकॉज 2 का फैक्टर इज ऑलरेडी देयर. कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. ठीक है, गॉट इट? वन मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई डील विथ. इधर ध्यान देना. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. सपोज देयर इज अ स्मूथ पिन. ए भाई इधर देयर इज अ रोप व्हिच इज टाइट. ऐसे smooth pin is there, rope is tight. Abhi now when I give it a jerk, it will fall down. I want to find how much velocity will it come down by. समझा क्या? ऐसे रोप रखा हुआ था ऐसे. Okay, I give it a jerk, it will come down. What velocity will it come down? I have to treat this whole rope as a particle. इसका length L है. Where is the mass concentrated? Center of mass. Okay, ये कोई बता सकता है? इसको पूरा चीज को हमने पॉइंट ले लिया. What is this distance? बोलो. सब मिस्टेक करेंगे. L/4. भाई ये आधा लेंथ है, उसका हाफ विल बिकम L/4. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. अच्छा यहां पर कितना रहेगा? L/2. ये हमारा डेटम लिया हमने. दिस इज द डेटम रेफरेंस. EA is equal to EB. E initial बोलो is equal to what is the energy over here man? वेलोसिटी तो 0 है, माइनस एम जी एल बाई 4 डेटम के नीचे है, इधर क्या रहेगा माइनस एम जी एल बाई 2, कैन आई से प्लस हाफ एम जी स्क्वायर, यस और नो? यू कैन फाइंड नाउ, नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा माइनस एल बाई 2 एल बाई 2 एल बाई 2 एल बाई 4, तो ये हो जाएगा जी एल बाई 4, राइट? जी एल बाई 4 और ये हाफ इधर आ गया तो 2 बी स्क्वायर कहेंगे ना। सो रूट ऑफ जी एल बाय will become velocity when it acquires.